Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the academic excellence at St. Viator High School. We're proud of our commitment to academic programs through which we encourage students to follow their passions and find balance in their studies. The minimum requirement for graduation is 24 credits. This chart shows how the credits are allocated. For those seeking an extra challenge to the college preparatory base, St. Viator offers 2 dual credit courses, a multivariable calculus course, and 18 AP classes. For the class of 2020, our average ACT score was a 26, with the top 25% of the class scoring a 31 average. We had 2 students score a perfect 36 on the ACT, and have had another achieve that already this year. 24% of last year's class received recognition as Illinois State Scholars, and 12 qualified for the National Merit Scholarship Program. Last year, 310 students took 524 AP exams, with 84% scoring a 3 or higher. It's very common for our graduates to begin college with credits toward their degree in hand because of successful AP exams. Whether it's in traditional courses in social studies, math, the sciences, and English, or more contemporary offerings such as entrepreneurship, mobile app programming, or digital music production, at St. Viator we strive to do everything well. 3/4 of our dedicated faculty have earned an advanced degree. 100% are Apple certified, and more than 24 are alumni of St. Viator. I thank you for your interest in St. Viator and encourage you to visit our curriculum guide on our website to learn more about the college preparatory environment we provide.